Welcome to my channel. Everything you need to know about vintage car restoration. 1. Choose the right vintage car. Start by selecting a car that matches your budget and skill level. Check the body, engine, and frame before buying. A complete car is usually easier and less expensive to restore than one with many missing parts. 2. Inspect the car carefully. Look for rust, dents, damaged panels, and worn mechanical parts. Take photos and make a list of everything that needs repair or replacement. A detailed inspection helps you plan the restoration properly. 3. Set a realistic budget. Vintage car restoration can cost more than expected. Include expenses for parts, tools, paint, labor, and unexpected repairs. Having a clear budget helps you avoid running out of money halfway through the project. 4. Create a restoration plan. Decide whether you want a factory original restoration or a modernized classic. Break the project into smaller tasks such as bodywork, engine repair, interior restoration, and painting. 5. Restore the engine and mechanical parts. Check the engine, transmission, brakes, suspension, and cooling system. Replace worn-out parts and fix any mechanical issues to make the car safe and reliable to drive. 6. Repair the body and remove rust. Rust is one of the biggest problems in older cars. Remove all rust, repair damaged metal, and prepare the body for fresh paint. Good bodywork creates a strong foundation for the restoration. 7. Refinish the paint. Choose a paint color that suits the car's original style or your personal preference. Proper sanding, priming, and painting will give the vehicle a smooth, long-lasting finish. 8. Restore the interior. Replace damaged seats, carpets, door panels, and the dashboard if needed. Clean or repair small details like gauges and steering wheels to bring back the classic appearance. 9. Find quality replacement parts. Buy parts from trusted suppliers or classic car specialists. Using high-quality or original-style parts improves the car's performance, appearance, and long-term value. 10. Test drive and maintain your classic car. After completing the restoration, inspect every system and take the car for a careful test drive. Continue with regular maintenance, including oil changes, brake checks, and cleaning, to keep your vintage car in excellent condition for years to come. Thanks for watching.